Hi, my name is Clive. I'm inspector. I inspected this Bentley Continental for you. You're going to go for the road test now, but just want to go quickly run through the interior and bodywork. Basically, all of the vehicle has been resprayed. All this side, quarter panel, the boot. There's some imperfections from the filler, some runs left from the sandpaper. This quarter panel, this door. There's a few lines here, like things it's been just bashed somewhere against some probably wall. Ding, very light ding. Some overspray marks around here. Everything I consider acceptable is done to the very good standard, and some no notifications here, which gives out. But everything is done to the very good standard, and some peel around there. Otherwise, the bodywork, the way it looks, you would never tell if it's an experienced person or professional. Light leak here, a bit of paint build-ups around here, and a slight build-up around here. Respray quality, the finish is good. You will see on all of the doors you will have as well. There is a line. The thing is bent. That side edges are fine. There's a bash this edge and some on this side, if you can see, and around here. For the age, I would consider acceptable. Interior showing age related weaknesses, as you can see. It's been used quite a lot. Steering wheel in a good condition. Key one. Navigation CD is not reading. This door slightly needs an effort to pull out, to open it, to pull it. Needs some adjustment on the lever, more likely. Good with some age related wear and tear for the lever on the rear seat. Good door cards. This door card has age related wear, as you can see. Vehicle needs full wallet before collection. The boot, weak shocks front and back. Good boot trim. I secured the battery terminal was loose on a starter battery. Auxiliary battery positive terminal needs to be fitted correctly on, but it's, as far as I can see, it's not loose. Yes, and most of the issues with this exterior you will see on the rear bumper. You have scratches around here, scratches. It's been obviously reversed somewhere in there. So that is about the vehicle. And regards to engine bay, before I'm going into the engine bay, there's again a very light ding here. Few stone chips present. You have several one of them on a bonnet, mostly on a grille. Front bumper has several stone chips. For the age, obviously, I had to consider it acceptable. On both sides, that's motorway driving. Some like the scratch. There is a bit of oil weep around the turbo, but to me it looks like it's coming from probably one of the seals from the inlet somewhere. And there's a breather pipe, and there's also an intercooler. A bit of oil weep starts coming out. We would need cleaning and resealing. Engine started from cold without any suspicious audible noises. However, while it was idling, it did develop slight uneven running feel, gentle sort of vibration on while it's idling. There was fault with lambda sensor, so it could be the lambda sensor issue. I have a record of the initial scan, so I cleared them off. I'm gonna go for the road test now, and then I'll just dig a bit deeper for the engine uneven running issue. So far at the moment it has only one key, but they say they has two. They will reconfirm that. Most of the gadgets, everything is working apart from navigation, and it's not squirting headlight washing liquid from the washer jets. So hope this little video will help you to make a decision. There's alternator also charging a bit low. It would need replacing at some point, so that's about £1,000 job. And the front pads would need replacing. It's about 50% left, and it's just a general maintenance would advise do the tracking on it, as they are rear tire showing slight uneven tire wear. That's it. Thanks for using us. We'll talk on the phone if you have any questions you might have, or you would need a further elaboration on something what I said. Thanks for using us.